Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So today I'm going to start off by making 11 mini bottle bouquets that I deliver to a coffee shop in town every week. And then I'm going to get back out here and harvest. I normally make those on Sunday evening, but honestly, it was a crazy week and I harvested most of my day yesterday, and then I just forgot that I was supposed to do those last night. So I got up early today and I'm going to get that done. Aren't these beautiful? These are in my yard. So anyway, today I harvested and I made a bouquet, and then I came home and I know I have to pay my sales tax and stuff, so I set up a QuickBooks account and I just got all my accounting done. So I was inside on my computer all day. So not a real eventful day on the flower farm, but I did get a lot done and I'm excited about that. So that's my update for today, and I will see you in the next one with hopefully a lot more flowers.